This conference will
uh,
now be recorded.
what type of road it is, whether single carriageway, okay, or else dual carriageway, okay, and then which area, urban or rural area, and what type of weather condition, in which type of weather condition accident has happened, whether fine, okay, high winds or raining, no high winds, so how, in which climate it has happened, and then finally what type of car, okay, so motorcycle, car, or what type of vehicle accident has been made. So this is not a current year data, it is about last 4 years data, okay, and not exact data, some modified data, okay, not exact record it is taken, it's other some record. Okay, so having this record, I'm going to analyze the entire data things, like in I'll explain the data, I would have gone through that, which area and what type of climate, in which type of road, how much people have accident. Okay, so in which year more number of accident happen. So everything, climate wise, road wise, vehicle wise, area wise, district wise, light wise, and day wise, month wise. So everything we are going to analyze. So what is the entire uh, aggregating? Okay, so that scenario we are going to find out. So this is a CSV data. Okay, it's not an Excel file. So first, let me open the Tableau software. So hope you downloaded these three data. Okay, and extract the data zip file. Inside that, you can find the accent data file, CSV file. That around 90 MB will be there. Okay, that you take. So click after downloading that, extracting that Excel file outside. Okay, so here if you see the left side, there will be a full text option, text file. So click on the text file and select the data and click on open. Then, so now once the data is loaded, I'm just interpreter I'm using, updating the data in this place. So here I need to talk an important thing. So please let me know once you have loaded the data. Let me know once you loaded the data. Done? Good. So now, once here it is loaded, don't go to sheet view and all. So because it's a very large data, right? So if you work with the connection live, then we will face more problems. So we are going to use the concept of extract. Why? Because the extract will tell you which what will make your system slightly fast. Why? Because live means both time data here it has to take and here it has to load, take, load, like that. Live connection will be having a problem. Okay, live. So for example, when I say some live match cricket and all, buffering will be there, right? Okay, so instead of that, if I download that and if I watch, there'll be no problem. Aram I can skip, I can do everything. So same like that here, the extract what it will do means, okay, extract will be loading the data fast. Everything will be done quicker. Any chart, dashboard or chart, anything you're working or any field if you're picking up, everything will be working fine. So for that concept, you are going to take the connection as extract. You have to understand live will make the system software slow down when we are working with the large data, but extract will make the system performance better. It will not make the system performance better. We will get a better performance when you are working with extract option. So the data will load faster and charge and every tools will work finely when we compare to live. That is the reason live we work with extract. When small data is there, live it's not a problem, but big data, live is a very much problem. So please take extract option and we'll start to work. Okay, but we have be patient here because the data is very large as we already taught. So we have to slightly do slow only. We have if you go fast also the data cannot be done because of the huge content. So for me, it's loading time only. It's taken more than 30 minutes. Oh my God. Yeah, I'll close. Let it get load. I'll choose the right side extract. So the interpreter is working. So I waited for that. It is taking so much time. So directly I clicked on extract. Okay, 1 second. This will not work now. Just close this and reopen this. See here. You can see 1 GB of RAM is gone there. So we will reopen it. So it's a text file, right? A text file, select data, open. I'll just click on extract. Extract will include all the data. Okay, I'll just click on the sheet. Once I click on the sheet, it will tell me to save the file. So now, so whenever we are selecting the extract option, right? So Excel will, Tableau will tell me to save the file in separate format like hyper. Okay, Tableau data extract up hyper. So it will be telling me to save in that particular format. So I just save that into the same name. There, I'll just save it. So it will come in a different logo there. I'll just show you that. So here, if you see, here hyper. So dot hyper format, the data has been stored. It is the extracted data. So being from here, if the data gets loaded, right, it will be working fast. So if you connected with live, so it will not happen. If you connected with extract, so you cannot directly work. First thing you have to first uh, save the hyper data in the same format. So once you save the hyper format, so then automatically it will happen. Okay, so you can see now the rows retrieved, everything slightly 6,60,000. So rows are over. So now update now. After that, if you click, the data will be loaded. Yeah. So can you see now the data has done fast now here. So when we complete compared to previously, now the data loading has done very faster. So it has automatically loaded and it has come to the sheet. Okay, so now first thing what you have to do is we will import the dashboard also. We'll go for the dashboard. Okay, so then we will click on the image and choose the image. Then select the image and import, fit in center and fit image, and just apply and okay. So again, as usual, as we have done in the last time, some custom you have to give, height and width. Let us increase like 1360. Will be two length and 1260 and try again 1100. I'll say yeah, it's fast. 1100. It is best, and height I need to reduce to 700, and I can check it still up and down is there. Okay, slightly will do less, 660, 650. It's fine. Okay, it's good. Yeah, fine enough. 630. This is fine for me. Okay, I'll just set it here like this in the dashboard. I'll go to the first sheet. Done. One second. Sorry. So now update now once I'll give 100 records is enough for me. example, records field shows the information to me, it's fine for me. So go to sheet. Now here we have to start working. Okay, so first thing what we are going to do. So first we have to take the year. Okay, so we want some filters and all. Okay, year wise, current year what is the accident range, and previous year what is the accident range, and next year, sorry, current year, previous year. Okay, and then you can just customly filter. Okay, so for that what I'll do, I'll just take year. Okay, so in this place I just take year, accident date, and just drag and drop it into this place. So can you see 2019, 20, 21, 22? So 4 years of records are there with me. Okay, so that 4 years records I want in a different format. Okay, so where I need like a filter. I don't want this part, so I need like a filter. So I can create a parameter and I can set it on the right side or in the top of the dashboard. Anyone want, they can filter it, right? So for that concept, so here I need to convert that into discrete, and I need to convert into other parameters like that. So if I click, if I want to create as like as a filter, if I create this as a parameter, so it will be still better for me to filter it. On the right side, you can choose right. So I need to choose that. Okay, so for that, what I will do, I just click in this place. I'll say click create a parameter. Okay, so create a parameter. So in this place, I need to click on what is that parameter name I need to give. So the parameter name I'll just give here current year. Okay, so current year, in this data type float, integer, string, boolean, date and time is there. So I just choose what date here. So current date value is there. For first I'll just take any one value, like integer I'll take, then current value is 1, and range or list it is asking. I want list. So list means automatically the field has to be get added in this place. It's not getting added. Okay, so the date and all I want here, right? It's not getting added. So what I'll do, I'll just take date. Okay, if I say date means automatically here come accident date. If I choose anything other thing else or integer like this, nothing will come. So here number of casualties, number of vehicles. I don't want that. I choose date. So right click, add accident date and choose here. Okay, so I choose the right click accident date. Can you see in this place here? All the entire format of date is coming. So but the problem is what I want only the year. Okay, if I want only the year, then I need to write some formula and I have to get extract only the year. Can anyone tell me what is the formula? I want only the year to be there. I don't want the month or date. So anyone can tell me what is the formula? What is the formula? From the date I want only the year to be extracted. Only the year I want. Anyone? We have seen that function. Okay, so the formula is itself, it is what year only. So I'll just click as uh, year of accident date. Okay, so in this place I'll just take year and accident date. So from that year only the date will be extracted. Okay, so that I'll get only the year, apply, okay. Okay, so if I do double click and if I check it here, it's coming like this and it will take in the text format. I'm getting a value like this. Okay, so this value I'll just convert it if I want the year and all. So what I'll do, I'll go to the right side here, convert into discrete. Okay, and then just move it to dimensions. So from here you take, now you can see the years, discrete, and then move to the dimensions. Okay, after that clear this all, go to create parameter. Okay, list of date, Year what I have to give? Current year. Okay. Current year, date, and add the field of accident date is there. So actually what I wanted the one more thing, only the year, right? So I'll just say integer year of accident. Okay, so because that is not only 2021, right? It will take us only integer. So I'll take accident, year of accident. So it has come now, the current value is 2019. Okay, and then in this automatic it is the list I want. So the display format, let it be like that only. Now here can you see that entire year has come? It will display like this in this format. Okay, 2019, 2020, 21, 2022. So it will display for you like that, saying just current year. Okay, so a new parameter will be clicked. That right parameter, if I place it on the right side, that parameter will be giving me four options, that is 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. I'll just click on OK, and I just show the parameter control here. I can filter it like this. Okay, so the current year, I'll just choose that any one year. Okay, so now I need to choose for one more time. Okay, so one more also I want. What is that? Current year and next year, sorry, previous year. Okay, so for the previous year, again I need to create, right? So instead of that, I'll do right click here and I'll say duplicate. Clear? Till now it is understand? Any doubts you have? Yeah, Anisha, correct answer. I'm checking now only. Okay, now. So I'll duplicate, right? Because I want the previous year also, right? Instead of creating from again, I'll just click on duplicate by right clicking on the field and just click on duplicate, then right click and click on edit. So here what you do, just you type as previous year, and current value 2021 you'll give, or 2022. So current value, if it is 2022 means you have to give 2021. Okay, so current value will be 2021. Okay, that previous year we have given uh, 2019, I think, what we have given. Okay, so now here this is displaying in the correct format. Fine, everything is correct on the right side. I'm not having an issue. Just click on OK. So and just show this also on the parameter control. Right side, you can just this also. Previous year 2021, current year 2022. Clear? So this I'll rename it as total accident. Sheet. Okay. So sheet name are given as total accident. So now I need to find the total accident. Okay, NICT. So year of current year accident and next year previous year accidents and year to year accidents. That everything I need to find out, right? So what is the current year accident? So that I need to find out. So for that I need to create a calculated field. Create a calculated field. So current year accident. Who is that going coming? That sound is making disturbance. Okay, so now here I'll say if year is nothing but accident date. Okay, accident date is equals to that, if it is a current year, the year is equals to accident date is equals to current year, then I want the index from the data, the left side I want the index number. Okay, so index number will give you some textual part. Okay, and then end. if the year, that is accident date, is equals to current year, then index. So the index is the record in main primary key here. So that will take the index number. So I'll just click on apply and OK. So here only one time you have to learn, because remaining everything we can duplicate and we can do it multiple times. Clear? So any issues here? Error. If year is equals to accident date, then year, then index end year. So count of if year is equals to so count if the year is equal, accident is equal to current year. So I want number of that. So apply OK. So now you can see that in the bottom. Okay, so still why it is showing the blue, I need to check it out. Still there is some error. Okay, so if count if tab count if the year is equals to accident date current date, then index. Okay, apply. Okay, so now I'll just take this to the text. So the total accident cases are 1,44,490. So I'm able to see that here in this place, correct? So now this is the total accidents case current year 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. So whenever I change, you can just see the value here. Clear? So only for the current year it is showing. If I just remove this, just hide this card here. So 2020, I'm just showing here. Okay. So now current year is over. See your current year accidents, and for that same like that for the previous year also I have to create one. So the concept is same. Again, do right click and duplicate. Okay, double click and edit, right click and edit. So here previous year accidents displays, instead of current year you just type as previous year. Right? Okay, so previous year also has come. So now two things has come. So current year it will show and previous year it will show. So two reports. Now next the third one I want, that is year to year. Year and year wise, what is the total number of records? Okay, now if I want to show this, so I'll just do double click here and double click here, and I show this also in the right side and this also in the right side. This I'll remove it. This here. So even the text and text, two things. So current year 2019 and next year 2021. So both places it is pakka, it's changing. So here 2025 give only the top it is getting changed. Okay, 2019. So in the top it has not changed. 2021 in the top it is changed. For this one for the current year, and next is for previous year. Okay, so now like next one I need to create year wise. Okay, so now for that I just click on again create calculated field, year of year, year to year accidents. Okay, so now here we need to write the function. So to find out what is the year and year wise. So we need to just minus and divide by the accident number of accidents. Okay, current year minus previous year and divided by what is the current year is there. So now here I just say as open flower bracket, open bracket. So CY current year accident minus previous year accidents, close bracket, and divided that by is the formula. Find out the year to year. Apply. Okay, I'll load the formula into the chat box. Now that also you take it and put it into the text. So the third one you'll get. So for the third one you're getting into the format of what? Numbers. Actually that is in the negative values. So I want that to be in the percentage. Okay. So number of percentage wise I want. So I need to edit it. Go here. Aggregate of year to here. I just select here and then I'll click here. Okay. So here this later will change. Format. So I want that to be in the percentage wise. So you can see the percentage wise here. Okay. So easily, or else if you don't want, you can just do right click here and you can go for format here also and you can do it. Okay. So but here how to means it is this slightly different here. Okay. So you have to do right click and you have to go for default properties and you have to go for number format and here you have to go for okay, so custom format. Okay, why I'm going to custom format I'll tell you, because the percentage is in minus. I want two type of percentage, one is positive and negative. So I'm going to create one KPI, some arrow marks and all. Okay, so for that I'll do like this. So double quotes percentage, this is for negative positive, and then I'll give us semicolon again 0.00 percentage for. So first of for positive and second of for negative. I have created a custom percentage. Apply. Okay. See this? Changes. Yeah, it's happening properly. Okay. Understanding this? Yes. Not view year to year. Properties. Number format. Custom. Properly given. No? Yes. So now for this, I need to make some changes, formattings and all we need to do, right? So for that format, so what and all changes we have to do, that we have to convert it. So here still it is showing into convert into continuous. Continuous. So accent into the text and year to year. Yes, correct. So now here this formattings I need to change it slightly how it looks good. So in this format, okay. So here what I want, the percentage symbol is the right. Here instead of that I want two logos, like a down arrow, up arrow key. Okay, so that I need to change it, but still there is that minus symbol. If it is not that, it will be better for me. So if it is there, arams I can understand that. I don't need to do all these things. I'll take automatic and I'll just take year to year properties using total is automatic currency format. Okay. Okay. So now here I want the symbols. So what I'll do, I'll open Excel here now. After opening Excel, I'll go to Insert tab. I need the arrow marks, down arrow and up arrow. So as increasing, decreasing symbol I need to show, right, for that. So for that, I'll go Insert tab in symbols. Okay. So here I need to get the symbol. Let's change Arial. So code number I will mention because it will be hard to find out. The code number is 258C. If I go here, this will be better for me. I want this one. Okay. I will insert and I want this one. So, clear? So two symbols I want. You just say close and I will copy this both symbols, copy it here, and I'll go to Tableau here. Just double click here. Properties, number format. Here I'll paste the both logos. Copy that. Sorry, cut it. First for increasing, paste and cut it and paste it for decreasing. Okay. So here I need to check it once again whether it is taking properly or not. No, it has not taken. So again, let me check it out 1 second. Increase different. Total using some automatic format. Let's click in here. Let's copy this one. Let's So now again right click format. Yeah, what logo I copied, right? Copy this one, first one, copy this down one. It's not coming. Now it's coming. So it's showing in reverse. Okay, it's showing in the reverse. This is negative and this is positive. So I need to reverse it. My decision number format. This cut and replace year. Year one down. I should take. Copy this. So still I don't want this negative symbol. Right click and I go for properties, custom number format, standard number, decimal places. I don't want negative values. Automatically it will be there. I just say it's automatic. Oh, shit. Here in number format. That negative symbol, if it is there, it will not just say again semicolon. Semicolon. Just correct. Okay, for me now it's coming. So let me check once everything. Current year, previous year, again percentage wise. Clear? It's done till here. So now after this we need to do some formattings. So I just click on text. Okay. So I'll go for editing all these things. So total entire things I want to go for here. What I'll do, I'll just first take this to the text, entirely remove this. See the current accent first in the text and then previous. First previous year I'll take, then current year I'll take, then year of year I'll take. So then I'll just click on text. I go for here, automatic. Okay. So the second one is the right. I'll just select this. I don't want the year of year accident. That sorry, previous year accident. I'll just remove this. I'll say the concept as total accidents. Okay. For this, I'll give us font style big, like 14, and with a color. Clear? And bold, I'll give like this. The second one, current year accident, I'll select, and that I'll give in a big font style, 15, 20, like that I will give. And then the last one I'll select, and for that again one color I will give. Not good. Apply those things too big, it has come in the middle. It is and then again go here, select this middle one, make it that also bold. Okay, just say as entire view comes on the right side somewhere else. Mhm. Okay, okay, because of that our custom size is there, right? So for that, if I say entire view it is fitting here, let it be wherever you want, we can fix it later. So let it be here only, we'll fix it later. So till here it is completed, and here I need to do something. Why? Because here we don't know what is that, right? So here I'll mention one more text, that is year of year. Year of year. Okay, apply. Okay, and small space. Yeah, this is fine. One card is clear. So one card, if you start to create off, then it's slightly easy. Everything or same thing, just duplicate, 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 duplicate. Okay, so easy it will be that. Now next we are going to right click and duplicate a new one. This is nothing but total casuals, casual accidents, casualties. Okay, so for that again we have duplicated. Just go here and create a calculated field. CY current year casualties. Okay, so now here you say again the formula, if here is equals to accident date of current year. Okay, and then check number of calculations. Okay, so number of casualties, let's take here and put it here. No, no, not that, here. Okay, if the year is equal to current year, then number of casualties I want. Clear? Enter. If I say apply, CUAV casualties here. Okay, so I want total, right? So total means sum. Sum of sum if. Okay, done. Understanding? So now we have to take the number of casualties, that is CY casualties. Okay, spelling mistake. Let's rename this CY. So total casualties, total accident, it is there. And just take that also into the text. Understanding? So again, same format if you do for this, that is also over. Okay. So here I'll just remove of one. Total casualties, I need to say current casualties. For that, I'm going to put it into the text. Okay. So for select the current casualties and edit for that. text, and here, so same issues. So I'll remove these things. Casualties completing the text here, right? So here I'll just write one thing saying that total casualties, and this one to 18 font size, this one slightly 10 I'll keep, gold color, this also gold. And then in the last I'll take re-aggregation level. Okay, and here I'll just insert, first I'll give apply. Okay, so total casualties is coming, and year to year percentage also I need to get it. Okay, so that also I will add it here. So again click on the text, go here, as usual the format it gives us the same. Select this, click on uh, click on red, say here again this. Clear? So one, two, two are there now. Then so here total accidents and here total casualties. Is that clear? Come to chat box and respond. Is that clear till here? So can you show the custom once more? Which custom? That formatting a percentage. Is percentage. Okay. So now go back here. Okay. So I'll just take the duplicate of year of accidents because total casualties, total accidents are over. So next year to year I want. So I'll duplicate of this. Okay. So I'll just click on edit. Here I'll say year wise casualties. Okay. And in this place, okay, CY year minus the formula is you have to change, that is casual accidents. Year to year accidents means that is casual year minus, okay, so whatever is there previous year and divided by this one is the right. So that year I need to change one small changes, right, casualties. Okay. Formula previous year accidents. So we have not created for casualties, I think. Right? Yeah, casualties we have not created, so that we are not getting. So that casualties also we need to create. So accidents. So we need to create a formula for year-to-year casualties. Okay. So PY casualties we have not created, right? So we'll create a PY casualties. Click on here, create PY casualties. We created, right? What name are then I given for that? CY I created. Okay, again I have not created for PY. Okay, I'll just duplicate and here I'll go for edit PY casualties. Only one we have created, one more we have not created, right? If sum of the year accident date is equals to previous year, only that one changes. As usual you change it, apply, done. So now you go for this year to accidents copy, edit. So in this place just change this option to casualties. Just here of actions casualties, right? Hmm. PY, CY casualties, PY casualties, CY accidents, PY accidents, year casualties. Clear? So the third one you have to create the third sheet, that is total casualties over, total accidents over, and then year to year. Okay. So that one we have to create. I will create one more sheet. Just place the sheet in the second place. So as of now, total accidents is there and total casualties is there. Clear? So now, as of whatever we have done, we will try to first place it of this year. I'm just taking this there and just give a standard view only. Standard view in this place. I'll come to the dashboard. Oh, okay. I'll just take floating. Just like this. Height detected. Right? Format. Background. Font color. That font color to be white. Just the maroon color that I want to be in the white color. So pure white is clear. Done. So here we'll keep one as of now. I'll just small it here. Just tell you because in this another place I need one more data to be placed. So yeah. So in this place in the below again the second one casualties, take it. Title I don't want, format it, and the format for sheet font let it be in white, and background color matte. Okay, so as of now we'll place it like this. So other changes we'll do later. Okay, then third thing we have to create, and that also we'll place it here. Clear? So please respond till that here, till here it is clear. Is that clear till here? I know that this is slightly different and difficult. So no responses. I'll just go continuing. Okay, so next in the new sheet, I'll just rename this one. I want it as CY fatal casualties. That means either road accident or means what type of injuries like serious or how that I want the casualties. So fatal casualties. Okay, and I'll just create a formula for that. CY. Now for this, I need to write the formula. What is the formula? So if it's like if sum of okay, if sum of accident severity is equals to fatal, okay, you can either use single comma or double. It's based on your wish. You can take whichever you want. Just taking double, okay, and I need to use one more function. And if the year of the accident date, if the year of the accident date is equals to current year, current year, then number of casualties. Okay, if sum of accident, if accident severity is equal to fatal and the year is equal to accident year is equal to current, then number of casualties it has to show. So it should be a current year and it should be equal to fatal severity. Okay, so just apply. So now go to edit, just copy the formula same like this, duplicate, Let's edit here. Paste. Yes. Right. Okay. Okay. Now remove this. Take it into text. Now change the format again. The bold and this to be in the 18 font style. Enter in this place. Actually, this one. So here it may not show because white color in the dashboard they have made it here to be shown white. So it's not showing here. So no issues. Title. So the font size has gone to max size. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೂವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ರಿಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾ 150 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೆಜಿ ನಾಳೆಂದು ಈ ಸೈಜ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸೈಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಪಲ್ 199 ರೂಪಾಯಿ so okay till here it has been completed so this small adjustments we see finally so the preview so till here is clear respond in the chat box till here is it clear ಒಂದನೇ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗಡೆ ಹೂ ಇದೆ ಏನು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳು ಓಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ okay so we'll pass off for today here Okay, so remaining only few things. Other two crates you have to do, other few charts here. So that will continue in the next class. Okay. So the remaining part we'll see in the next class. Okay. Bye everyone.